You are not alone. Don't forget it. But if you only watch, nothing changes. If you speak, everything changes. YouTube has auto translate. Click auto translate button and read in your native language. Hi, my friend. Welcome. Today, we will learn 100 English sentences that very beginner must know. These sentences are divided into 10 important topics: greetings, polite expression, personal question, food, directions, shopping, health, weather, hobbies, and daily routine. 10 topic. From each topic, you will learn 10 important sentences. These sentences will be read twice. You can listen like a podcast or repeat with me the second time. This is very important for learning. If you do not speak, you cannot learn. Let's start. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? How are you? I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Erkan. Say your name. My name is. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you later. See you later. Please. Please. Thank you. Thank you. You are welcome. You are welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. I am sorry. I am sorry. No problem. No problem. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need this. I need this. I like it. I like it. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Turkey. Say your country. I am from. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. How old are you? How old are you? I am 29 years old. Say your age. I am years old. What time is it? What time is it? Where is the bedroom? Where is the bedroom? How much is it? How much is it? Can I have? Can I have? I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I want water. I want water. I want coffee. I want coffee. I like pizza. I like pizza. I don't like salad. I don't like salad. Can I order food? Can I order food? The food is delicious. The food is delicious. I am full. I am full. Check please. Check please. Where is the bus station? Where is the bus station? How can I go to the airport? How can I go to the airport? Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Go straight. Go straight. Stop here. Stop here. I need a taxi. I need a taxi. I am lost. I am lost. Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? Is it far? Is it far? I want to buy this. I want to buy this. Do you have it in another color? Do you have it in another color? Can I try it? Can I try it? It is too expensive. It is too expensive. I like it, but it is small. I like it, but it is small. I like it, but it is big. I like it, but it is big. I need change. I need change. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? I want a discount. I want a discount. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? I am sick. I am sick. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. I feel tired. I feel tired. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a fever. I am allergic to something. I am allergic to something. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Is there a pharmacy nearby? I need medicine. I need medicine. Help me, please. Help me, please. It is sunny. It is sunny. It is rainy. It is rainy. It is cold. It is cold. It is hot. It is hot. I like this weather. I like this weather. I don't like this weather. I don't like this weather. It is windy today. It is windy today. The sky is cloudy. The sky is cloudy. It is snowing. It is snowing. Be careful. It is slippery. Be careful. It is slippery. What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? I like music. I like music. I like dancing. I like dancing. I like reading. I like reading. Let's watch a movie. Let's watch a movie. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out? I am tired today. I am tired today. I am happy. I am happy. I am sad. I am sad. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to school or work. I go to work. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I take a shower. I take a shower. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I like to walk. I like to walk. I like to relax. I like to relax. I am learning English. I am learning English. I want to speak English well. I want to speak English well. Thank you for watching, my friend. Great job. Keep practice these sentences every day. Remember, Learning English becomes easier when you use it every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to channel and write a comment. Your support helps the channel grow and helps more people learn English. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.